Am I so pretty? She said no.
Oh, no. Who said no? Who said no?
The people. Maganda po ako.
Sobrang ganda.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Jong Hilario, ibinida ang bagong hairstyle ng kanyang anak na si Sarina. Sa isang video clip ay napakasayang tinanong ni Sari ang kanyang mga tagahanga, at ang kanyang tatay kung siya nga raw ay maganda sa kanyang new look. Good vibes at talagang nakakaaliw panoorin, ang napakabibong anak ni Jong at Maia Azores.
Are you my daughter?
Hi guys. Am I so pretty? She said no.
Oh, no. Who said no? Who said no?
The people.
No, I can't hear. I didn't hear that.
Ang ganda ko. Sobrang ganda ko.
Of course. Oh, wow. Can I kiss you? You're so pretty. You're so beautiful. I love you.
I love you.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Kindat. Yes. Cute. Wink. Paano yung wink? Show your dimples. Yes. I love you.
Daddy, maganda po ako.
Sobrang ganda. Hi guys. Arte. Uy sus.